Hi, we're going to look at the most common sound in English. And what's interesting is that not many people know its name. It's called schwa, and it is an unstressed vowel sound. This is not schwa. Schwa is unstressed. There's way too much stress here. Now this is more like schwa. To make the schwa sound, relax your body, relax your mouth, relax your tongue, and say uh. Let's try it together. Now that is the schwa sound. There is a schwa sound in this word. Water. If the schwa sound were not there, then we would say water. It's not water. It is water. There are two syllables. The first one is stressed, while the second one is unstressed. And the schwa is in the unstressed syllable. If a word has a schwa, then that schwa will be in the unstressed syllable. It will not be in the stressed syllable. This is how schwa looks like, an upside down E. Can you identify the schwa symbol here? Yes. Schwa is everywhere. History. Pizza, an important word, I know. Curious. Of all the sounds of English, the schwa sound is my favorite because it is unstressed and it is everywhere. When you're learning the pronunciation of a new word, be on the lookout for the schwa sound. Bye.